Discover the best day trips from Sarajevo with this comprehensive guide. Uncover hidden gems, historic sites and picturesque landscapes just a short drive away. Perfect for your next escape.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Upon meeting your guide at your accommodation, commence your journey to Croatia via a network of well-maintained roads that traverse through a captivating landscape comprising Bosnian canyons, majestic mountains, serene lakes, and historic towns. You will begin your exploration in the heart of Herzegovina, visiting the charming town of Konjic. Start your tour with transportation to the War Tunnel Museum. Upon arrival, proceed on foot through the War Tunnel Museum, where you will witness significant historical sites and structures firsthand. Welcome to the captivating city of Sarajevo, renowned for its rich history, diverse cultural heritage, and enduring legacy. Nestled at the crossroads of Eastern and Western civilizations, Sarajevo has evolved into a vibrant tapestry, woven from threads of tradition, modernity, and resilience. Sarajevo serves as the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, embodying a vibrant tapestry of diverse cultures, and serving as a multifaceted cultural hub. Historically, it has been the site of significant imperial rule, including the Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, Communist Yugoslav, and contemporary periods of independence. Embark on a guided tour of central Bosnia, immersing oneself in its natural splendor and rich historical tapestry. Begin your journey by being picked up from your hotel, subsequently traversing the historic districts of Jis, passing through the Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, and Yugoslav eras, to gain insight into the development of Sarajevo. Embark on an enlightening exploration through time, guided by our knowledgeable expert who will unveil the hidden gems and profound mysteries of Sarajevo's rich history. Our tour will transport you through the heart of the city, showcasing its blend of Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian architectural wonders. Discover the rich historical tapestry of Sarajevo through our comprehensive walking tour, which delves into the tumultuous four-year period spanning from 1992 to 1995, when the city endured relentless bombardment. This immersive experience will allow visitors to explore key sites such as the Memorial Tunnel of Hope, a testament to resilience and unity amidst adversity.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.